Hello students, I am Karanveer and today we are going to start our G Science of 4th class, chapter number 1, Food We Eat. Sometimes you feel hungry if you don't eat food for a long time. You feel tired, you feel weak if you don't eat food for a long time. So food is a very essential for our body. Food give us energy, food help us to grow, and food fight with the diseases. Give us energy to our body to fight with some diseases. Today we will discuss that food we eat that contain useful substances. That substances are nutrients. Today we will discuss about the nutrients. There are 5 nutrients: proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. The first one is proteins. Proteins help us to grow. From milk, egg, cheese, etc. From these sources we get proteins. Proteins helps to build the new cells in our body and also helps to repair the damaged cells of the body. The next one is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates also give us energy to work, play, study, etc. From potato, banana, bread, etc. From these things we get carbohydrates and these also give us energy. The third one is fats. Fats also give us energy, but fats give us energy twice than the carbohydrates. Fats are stored in our body for future also. Sometimes if you don't get much food to eat, then these fats help us to give us energy. Oil, butter, cheese, ghee, etc. These are the sources of fats that give us energy and helps the body to keep warm. The next is vitamins. Vitamins and minerals are the nutrients that our body requires only in the small amounts. Like vitamin A. From carrot and spinach we get vitamin A and it keeps our eyes and skin healthy. And from peas, orange, amla we get vitamin C and it keeps our gums healthy. So the fresh fruits, vegetables, fish, etc. From these things we get minerals as well as vitamins also. The calcium is an essential mineral to form healthy bones and teeth. Iron is also an essential mineral that needed for making food. So vitamins and minerals are essential for our body also. The next thing is these are the 5 nutrients: proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. And the next is the roughage. Roughage is the fiber in the food that you eat but your body cannot digest. Means it helps to removal the wastage from our body. So the roughage helps our body to remove for the removal of the wastage. Fresh fruits, grains, vegetables, etc. These contains lots of fiber and helps our body to removal the waste. Next thing is water. Almost 2/3 part of your body is made up of water. Water is very essential for all the living things. Water is essential for digesting food, for removal of wastage and also maintains our body temperature. So the water is also essential for the body. And the last one thing is balanced diet. A diet that contains the right amount of all the nutrients. Means if in the diet there are all the nutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals, that diet is called a balanced diet. All the human beings do not need the same amount of food. When you are young, you need more energy, and when a laborer man also need more energy, but the older are not very active and they don't need more energy to work. So the last thing is food is a precious thing that should not be wasted. You don't waste your food. Serve yourself only with that much food that your body needs. Don't waste your food. Never leave the food in the plate. So food is a precious thing, don't waste it. So here are some new words in this chapter. The first is nutrients. What are nutrients? Useful substances present in the food. means that substances, that useful substances that present in your food is called nutrients, means these useful substances, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. Next one thing is balanced diet, that we discuss a diet that contain all these nutrients, water and roughage in the right amount, right proportions, that is called balanced diet. Last one is roughage. The fiber present in the food is called roughage. Thank you.